Hello everybody and welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to scale and print AutoCAD drawing. Let's start. The first you need to set up a page to have a template by using Output tab, which is here, and then select Page Setup Manager. To create a new page setup, by clicking New, give it name such as, for example, print, then click OK. As you see, we have a setup dialog box here and the name is print that we chose a few seconds before. Now on a printer plotter name, open, scroll down here, we are coming to choose DWG to PDF. On a paper size, there is a long list and you can select what you want about the size of paper. For example, I select A5 here. On a plot area, I recommend you to select window, which is here, to allow you to choose which part of drawing you want. Then click center the plot, and in a plot style table, by select grayscale, you have complete black and white when you plot it, and then yes, and as you see here the paper is portrait and I choose landscape, which is horizontal. On plot scale, by remove the tick in the box, you can put a certain ratio, for example 0.1, and then click OK, which is here. Here close. Now all you need to do is just click on plot. It's here. On this page, just go to name and select the page that we saved before. Print is here, the page, DWG to PDF, paper size, and center to plot, gray scale, and the paper scale, everything is fine. Press window. From here you can draw a rectangle on the area that you want to print, and then OK. Here you will be asked where you want to save and what's the name of your file, then save. Now you have a PDF and it's easy to print. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you like it.